Good morning, everybody. It is 8 o'clock and my first two dogs of the day are here. They are American Bulldogs. They're both boys, and that one's the crybaby. These guys are pretty easy. They're just getting a bath and their nails cut and their ears cleaned, and I'm going to make them a bandana and dress them up, and that is it. I'm going to use this rubber glove to help get out all the loose hair. It really helps because it sticks to the hair and pulls it out. I'm tired already. So while he's taking a break, I'm going to take a little sip of my coffee with my Valentine coffee mug that has my dog on it. Okay, back to work. I'm going to start blow drying him. He's very good for it and doesn't mind at all. These dogs are always hot. Big dogs, not these dogs, but big dogs, they're always hot. Okay, pretty much done drying him for now, so I'm just going to wipe his face off. And I'm going to put him away because I got to get his friend out. I'm going to finish blow drying him in a little bit. I got to get his friend out. He's waiting patiently. And he is next for his bath. Just going to towel dry him and put him away. These are really easy dogs, even though they're huge. And this guy does not like to turn around. I got to use all my muscles to turn him. But they're still easy. They're very easy. Does he look bored? Or is he just trying to hide? All right, let's get him out. I'm telling you, once they learn how to walk up and down this ramp, they just do it. Okay, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. All right, Bulldog number 2 is getting in the bathtub. Okay, come on, 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 come on. And I'm going to do the same exact thing I did to the other guy. I'm going to give him shampoo and conditioner. And I'm going to scrub him down with the rubber mat because the rubber really helps to pull out all the loose hair. I don't know what it is about rubber. It's magical. It just pulls it all out. I guess it's kind of sticky or something. I don't know. All right, let's get started.
Allergies are very common in American Bulldogs and English Bulldogs. As you can tell, he is really chewing on his feet. See how it's brown? And you can see some bald spots too on his back ankles.
Everybody gets conditioner too. I'm going to load him up so he's nice and soft. And it also helps to rinse out a lot of the loose hairs. Okay, this guy's just going to hang out for a few minutes while I clean up my mess in the tub and put my ramp away. And then I'll get them both back out and finish blow drying them. As you can imagine, the whole floor is soaked. So I get to take my towels and clean up this mess. Wipe the walls down. Well, if I can say anything for this job, I definitely get my exercise. I'm not sitting at a desk behind a computer all day, but I am getting too old for this. Just saying. Make sure the walls are wiped down. I have a dog bandana shop. I make dog bandanas, personalized tote bags. I make pillows, bows, all kinds of cute dog stuff. I can personalize anything. So let's go over here to my crafting area, and we're going to make these bulldogs 2 extra large bandanas. All right, so I have a little bit of fabric everywhere. I have some in the house, I have some over here, I have some in the groom shop. I got fabric everywhere, but I guess I'm going to use, these big dogs take a lot of fabric, but I don't know. These are cute, and they're both boys, so I'm going to make them a bandana with this. That's neutral. That could be girl or boy, and this actually could too. I don't know. This is a little bit girly for bulldogs. I think they need something tougher. I don't know. I'm just going to use it. I don't know what people like. It's neutral. Let's go with it. I have different size templates, and we're definitely going to use an extra large for these guys. So I'm just going to trace these. I'm going to use, I don't know how I'm going to do this. I think I'm going to, okay, so there's going to be 2 sides. There's going to be this side and this side. So I'll use, that way she can reverse it and flip it around if she wants to. All right, let's get started. This takes a long time, actually, you know. I don't think people realize how much time I take to make these bandanas for the dogs. So they take a long time. So I'm just going to, I got to make sure the fabric is facing the right direction. And then I'm going to fold it over because we don't want it sideways. I don't even know if this is going to be enough fabric. Like I said, these extra large dogs, they take a lot of fabric. Actually, this might be just enough. Okay, so there are going to be different patterns on both sides. So we're going to have this dark on one side, and we're going to have the little dogs on the other side. And we're going to put them right sides facing together. I'm going to put a pin in the middle just to hold it together, and then I'm going to sew them together. I'm going to iron them with spray starch. I'm going to get the dogs back out and cut their nails, clean their ears, and dress them up, and they'll be ready to go. Let's get started. Of course, my cord isn't working. Got to wiggle it around, and then it'll start. Okay, so I have them ironed. They're ready to go. I have a little space left here that I'm going to put a tag in, just so it looks professional and fancy. I'm just going to sew this shut. Okay, I got to get ready because I'm going to get them out. I got to get a baby wipe so I can wipe them down. Some spray-on conditioner. Nail clippers. I got to get ready because I'm going to do them on the floor. I don't put those big dogs on the table. And what else? Well, I don't know. I'll figure it out. But anyway, their bandanas are ready. See, they're reversible. One's going to get this side, and one of them is going to get that side. There's that. So that's ready. I'm just going to tie them right here. That's how we do these big dogs. I don't even try to put them on the table. I'll finish blow drying him. I'm going to spray him with some conditioning spray. Just fluff him up. Got a slicker brush. Just going to comb through the conditioner. Come here. Got to fluff his butt up. There we go. Okay, I'm going to wipe him down with the baby wipe. Spray a little on here. Make sure his face is nice and clean. Excuse me. They're both like this. They don't like their faces touched, but I don't have a choice, so just got to do it. Get your little wrinkles in here, your saggy little wrinkles clean. There we go. Okay, I'm going to clean his ears. I got a cotton ball and ear cleaner. He's really trying to get out of this, but there is no getting out of it. Ears look pretty good. His ears are usually infected, so they look pretty good today. Clean out the other side, and I'm going to cut his nails. All right, got my nail clippers. All right. Check for dew claws. He has a dew claw. There we go. All right, his ears are clean, his nails are cut, he's nice and soft and brushed out, and he is getting his bandana. Let's dress him up, and he is ready to go. If he would pick his head up and show everybody how pretty he is. There we go. I bet if I get his collar out, he'll pick his head up. Hold on. That always works. Let's see if we can trick him into picking his head up. There we go. It always works. Is that your collar? Is that your collar? They love their collars. All right, let me get the other one out. I think it fits perfectly. Okay, let's go. Come on. Come on here. There we go. All right, bulldog number 2. I'm going to finish blow drying him. I'm just going to sit down on the floor and relax. All right, well, I'm going to do the same thing to him. I'm going to get a fragrance-free baby wipe, conditioning spray. I'm going to wipe him down with conditioner. Wipe his face. They do not like their faces touched. I'm going to wipe out his little wrinkles here. Make sure his face is nice and clean. There we go. I'm going to clean his ears. Got some ear cleaner. Clean that out. You can see all the goopy stuff inside. Get another cotton ball and get the rest of this stuff out. Okay, I got my nail clippers. I'm going to cut his nails, but first, look at his sad little friend over here. He looks so sad just watching his friend get groomed. What is he thinking? Probably not much. All right. I like my guillotine style nail clippers. Let's get started. Excuse me. You see he's got this growth hanging down. I don't know if you can see it under his arm. You might not be able to see it. He's got a big, long, saggy thingy under there. Check for dew claws. Excuse me, no dew claw. We'll move around to the back. They are very well behaved as long as you're not trying to mess with their faces. But they don't bite or anything. They're just wiggly. They just tuck their heads under, and the other one was tucking his feet under. All right, I'm going to flip him around and do his other side. These 2 front nails here are worn all the way down. I don't need to cut them. That tells me that he is walking weird. When he walks, he's wearing down these 2 nails. Actually, the 3rd one too. That doesn't need to be cut. These 3 are worn down. So when he's walking, I think his toes are probably scraping and wearing down right there. Okay? Let's dress you up. I'm making this video way too long as usual, but that's okay. Some people like long videos. There we go. You're getting the cute side. It fits perfectly. This is an extra large. Imagine that. Can you pick your head up and show everybody how pretty? Can you pick your head up? There we go. Yeah, he's not as sad as the other one. Thanks for watching. 2 beautiful American Bulldogs at the groomers.